Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to select multiple text boxes in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here some text and some text box. Now we want to select the multiple text box. Click the first text box, then press shift on our keyboard and click another text box. Now we can see we select the multiple text box very easily. Now we select all text box very easily to use this process. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.